We have with us Mr. Arun Tyagi. He is the head marketing Newberg Engineering Limited. It's an EPC company, and the tagline says "Making ideas happen." So, in this new year, sir, 2021, what are the new ideas that you are working on?
As an EPC company, we work as a single point solution company, and we have come to a level where we have become a pure play EPC company where we take customers' ideas and we realize them, we make them happen, and that's what our company's motto is: making ideas happen. And as a responsible company, as a responsible citizen of this ecosystem, we are working on a lot of new things. One particular thing I like to highlight is hydrogen that we are working on, and we believe that hydrogen is the future, green is the future, and in that direction we are taking up a lot of projects, a lot of initiatives. One project we recently got is for hydrogen fuel cell, and that will be first of its kind project in India, where we'll be delivering hydrogen as a fuel for vehicles, and that if that goes well, and I'm sure that will go really well, and that will enable the revolution in India, because dependence on fossil fuels will go down gradually by this initiative.
You have also backed a project in Middle East. So, would you talk about that project, and when are you planning to complete it?
So yes, we are recognized as one of the top EPC companies in Middle East region particularly, and we have done more than 20 projects over there in various countries like Saudi Arabia, Egypt, UAE, Oman, Qatar, and likewise. Very recently, we got fourth EPC LSTK project in Egypt, which is for Ispria, Mist Ispria company, and that is for sulfuric acid with a capacity of about 500 tons per day. So this is a big project for us, and we are very happy to share with you.
So, what are the new projects which are coming up, and where do you see Newberg working into these projects?
So last year, because of pandemic, we have seen tremendous pressure on our business, and that is quite evident because we have seen pressure on supply and demand side. I mean both sides. So supply is disturbed and demand is not picking up because people are or our customers are holding their decisions. So but that is passing now, and we see a lot of new inquiries, lot of demand coming up for various chemicals and specialty chemicals. And particularly, again, I would say there's a lot of work happening on hydrogen, on green energy, green fuel. So and that's what our focus is. So we are getting a lot of inquiries regarding that as of now.
But which projects do you see would be taking off in 2021 from India, apart from green hydrogen that you have talked about?
So I believe there are a lot of demand for hydrogen peroxide, and we are getting a lot of inquiries. Then there's a lot of focus on chlorine derivatives, and there is a lot of focus on intermediates across different industries, and that is because in China a lot of industries are moving out, and because of that new opportunities are building up for India in a lot of chemical, specialty chemicals and pharma industries. And where we stand today and the kind of business opportunity that is coming our way, I believe in next 4-5 years we will have to double our capacity in majority of these chemicals and specialty chemicals in India.